One of the things I wrote down recently was people don't care about your story. They care about theirs. And
It's a great observation.
and they do, right? Like we walk around in the world just going like, how does something serve me? We spend more time in our head thinking about our own needs than other people. And that's not a bad thing, that's just human nature. So we don't so much want to hear other people's stories, we want to hear stories that are directed, we are in that story.
That we can see ourselves in?
We can see ourselves in that story. So, on stage there, identifying and creating a customer success story where the customer is positioned as the hero and we are their trusted guide, right? So if I'm the guide of a story, I'm not the main character.
Yeah.
And I think the big mistake that people make is they struggle. It's like they make themselves by accident the hero of the story.
When you're Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah. Yeah, you are, right? The Karate Kid's the Karate Kid. He's the hero.
Yeah.
Miyagi's just that wise dude in the background that was like, paint my fence.
Wax on,
wax off.
Yeah.
It just comes in for a moment and just gives a few clear things, and then you go off and do the work necessary to get this amazing outcome for you.